How to change PHP version via CloudLinux Selector in Plesk. You can use CloudLinux Select PHP version to change your website's PHP version. CloudLinux offers various PHP versions to choose from. Log into your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Select the PHP Selector option. Click the drop-down menu and choose the version you wish to use. Then click the Set as Current. That's it. The selected version is now the set version. Thank you for watching.